Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel IB All Designing Developer. My name is Inshal Beg. I am a full stack developer and graphic designer. Like in previous class, we have learned that how to build one hangman game with Python, and I hope you all enjoyed that class. Now, in this class, we will see that how to build one contact book with Python, and I hope you will enjoy this class also like you are enjoying my all previous class. So, let's start. Now first of all you have to open your text editor what you have. Okay, I have Atom text editor, so I will open it. Go to window or open, or you can also open like from run command. Okay, so just close it and now close these files which are come in starting. Okay, now you can see this, I have made one file which is called inshal.py. Okay, you can also take the file by just go to file, then take new file, then you have to just take name of your file and you have to just write .py. Okay, because it is really important to write from which you can save your file in Python. Okay, so now when you have done this all, then we will start coding. Okay, and you can also see like many menus here: edit, view, selection, find, packages, help. Okay, from these you can also do like from these you can undo or you can cut, copy or paste your things over here. Okay, now when you have done this all, just now we will start. Now for making contact book, first of all we have to make one print tag. Okay, like in previous classes I have already known and you already know that what is print tag. Okay, and I hope you all remember that also. Okay, so now for taking it you have to write print. Okay, now we will start first of all print tag, and now in this print tag we will define that what is our book about. Okay, it is contact book, so we will write here contact book. Okay, now just like dashes over here. Okay, just it is comment, so we are writing like this. Now over here you have to write contact book. Okay, because we are making this, just write like that. Now just close it with this dashes over here. Now when you have done this all, come over here and again you have to write this print tag. Okay, now just brackets over here, and now here you have to do like you have to write 0 over here, and now here you have to write quit. Okay, means if we will press 0, so he will quit. Okay, over here. Now come over here and write again print tag. Okay, just it will be like 1, and here we will write like add the contact number in the contact book. Okay, it's mean that when the user will write his name and contact number, so it will save in its contact book. Okay, so when he will write its name, so the number will come in which he saved. Okay, so now first of all save it and we will check that it is running quickly or not. Okay, so now come over here, just close it. Okay, now we will run with command prompt. Okay, come over here, write here like cd desktop, because it is our location, we have stored our file here over here. Now you can see this, our file name is inshal.py over here. Now here we have to write like Python, which will be inshal.py because it is our file name over here. So you can see this, add the contact number in the contact book, and here there is coming 0 quit. Okay, so it is also in contact number is also coming. Okay, till here we have done our work. Now from here just close it. Now come over here, and now here you have to define like we will define d1. Okay, d1 will be like equal to this. Okay, means curly bracket, because we will also define d1 with name, but we are only defining d1, so we have to write like d1 equal to curly brackets over here. Now till here we have done. Now come over here, and now here we will define while true. Okay, I hope you all remember that what is while loop, because we have learned about this many times in when we are working with nested loops and when we are working with while loops and when we were making tic-tac-toe game, and I hope you all remember this while true tag because we have talking about in many classes over here. Okay, now till here we have done, and just when you have done these all things, just write while true semicolon, and just here you have to press enter. Okay, now just when you have done this all, just here you have to write like name. Okay, which will be input over here, and now here you have to write like enter name. Okay, okay, enter name. It means that when the user will write his name, and then he have to write its contact number. Okay, so from this he can search his contact number with his name. Okay, now till here we have done, and now here you have to define like enter, press enter over here, and now here you have to write like, now it will be Funo. Okay, it is just phone number, we are defining it like this. Now you have to do like, first of all you have to write here like n which will be init, okay, and it will be input, and here you have to define like enter name, okay, like this. Now when you have done these all things, just you have to do like, you have to erase it, okay. Now come over here and erase it, okay. Now we have done this. Now when you have done this all, just come over here, press enter, and now here you have to define like, here you have to define if, it will be now if n equal 1, okay, because now we will define with n1, like there is d1, now with n1 we will define these all things. Now come and press enter. Here you have to define name input. Now it will be like this, and now here you have to define like enter name again, okay. Now till here we have defined our things, okay, and now when you have done this all, just come over here, and now here you have to define like Funo, it will be input, okay, just it will be Funo init, and it will be input, and here you have to write like enter your phone number, okay, just you have to write contact number, okay, because we are making contact book. Now till here we have defined these things, okay. Now enter your contact number, it is asking. Now come over here, write here d1 which will be name, and it will be equal to phone, okay, because Funo, because we have defined Funo over here, okay. Now means that phone number, okay. Now when you have done this all, just come over here, and here you have to define like elif which will be n equal 2, because when we write if first, then we have to write elif, because elif is second, and then when you have to define these all things, so we have to define with this elif tag, okay, not with this if tag, because we only define if tag in first. Now when you have done this, come over here, and now here you have to define like name 1, okay, and it will be input, in which we will write like enter name to search the contact number, to search the contact number in the contact book, okay, because the user will enter his name, then he will search his contact number in the contact book if he has saved his name and number over here, okay. Now till here we have done. Now come over here, write print tag over here, okay, and now in this print tag we will define like, here will be now like contact number of, okay, just like that, contact number of. Now just write like that, comma name 1, okay, and now there will be is which will be space over here, comma, and now it will be like name, okay, name 1, okay, because we are defining this with, now here you have to define like d1 name 1, okay, because I have tell you, when we will define this d1, so we have to define this d1 with name also, okay, and we have also written 1 over here because we had defined this contact number of with this name 1, okay. Now till here we have done this all things. Now when you have done this all, just you have to do like, you have to just here, you have to write like enter number, and like this you have to write, okay, 0 1 2, and here you have to write like this. Till here we have done. Now first of all save it. Now we will check it is working or not, okay. Come over here, and now here you have to write cd desktop, where is our file located. Come over here, write your file name like install.py is our file name. Come over here, press enter, so you can see this, it is working, okay. Write install, okay. Contact number will be like, we will 2 5 5 6 7 8 9, like this we are writing randomly one number, just write like that. Again it will be install over here, okay, like this. It will ask your phone number, okay, like this. Now till here we have done. Now we have to do like, when you have done this all thing, we have to again define this elif, like I have tell you. First we have to define this if tag, and then second or third we will define this elif tag, okay, because we don't define this if tag, we only define this in first, okay. Now when you have done this, backspace elif which will be n and equal 3, like previous it was 2, now it will be 3 because we are defining it third time over here. Now when you have done this, just write break over here, okay, means it will break these all things. Now just when you have done this all, first of all save it, go to command prompt and check cd desktop, okay, which will be Python, and now it will be like I have tell you, our file name is install.py, so there will be install.py over here, okay. Now it is asking number which will be 1, name will be Inshal, and the contact number will be like randomly we are writing one contact number over here, 1 again, Shal over here, okay, and contact number will be like this. And now here you can see this, it is saving our numbers, okay. Now close. Now again we will run it, okay, over here cd desktop, where is our file located, python inshal.py over here. Now 1, and then it will be like Inshal over here, then contact number like randomly, like I have tell you, enter, and now it will be 2. Now here you can see this, now it is asking enter name to search the contact number in the contact book, okay. It is asking that because like I have tell you, we have now defined and we have saved this number over here like 1 Inshal, and this contact number is saved in our book, okay. And now when we will write Inshal, so our contact number will become, okay, because these both are thing is saved over here, okay. So you can see this contact number of Inshal is 2565852455, okay. You can see this contact number is, okay, it is coming randomly. So when you save this many times, so it will save one time, then many times you can save it in your contact book, okay. So when you will write the name of the person, then it will be coming number of this person and his name will also come, okay. Like my name is coming, contact number of Inshal is 2565852455, okay. And I hope you all understand that how to build one contact book in Python, and I hope you all enjoyed this class also, like you all are enjoying my previous class. So I will meet you in second class. So for today, goodbye.